Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, or by the time you get this video, had a wonderful day, and also happy new month. So today is August 1st, Emancipation Day. Emancipation? I think it's Emancipation. Let us challenge ourselves for this new month. But we'll start off the month the right way. We'll start with a clean slate. So write down some goals and see if you can work towards them. I did just that. So I set down some goals but more have to accomplish for this month, and I'm going to try my best to work towards them. You know, sometimes you procrastinate and sometimes you look lackadaisical, but make a challenge yourself, guys. So anything we never get done last month and the month before, because we know some of we really just outside sometimes, but make us see if we can try to accomplish those. And also if you wrote down stuff and you accomplished them already, make we set some new goals. Make we not waste no time, because really and truly the time just run off so quick. Guys, when you realize how fast daytime run off, make we not waste no time at all. What's up with me? Me know honestly. So I have a new stove. The other day, the stove just stopped working with Braps. So we had to change the stove. Got the stove delivered, and then the stove did for install. And the person not come until today. And I know the person did us a huge favor by coming today, because today a holiday. And if you know out here now we're not open today, but the gentleman was so nice, him come and him install the stove. Him did for come from yesterday, which was Sunday. So yeah, we got it installed today. So we've been now eating a cooked food from a couple days ago. Everything in the microwave. So now I'm so excited to cook and give you guys a cooking video. I know I love the cooking videos because I did a chat with one on Instagram. Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram now. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, somewhere down here. So follow me on Instagram. So I did a chat with her, and all of that asked me about is cooking videos. And I said, wow, I really love them cooking videos there. So I'm gonna cook. I'm never so excited for cook. So one, I'm gonna cook on the stove for the first time. Two, I'm really hungry and want some cooked food. Three, I love the videos, so I'm happy for giving a one-on-one. On the menu for today is curry chicken and white rice. I'm not even go rice and peas. Normally when I cook rice and peas on a Sunday and I did really want it, then I would cook it the day after. But I can't go wait on the rice and peas. Can't wait on the peas while no, nothing like that. So white rice and curry chicken. I want to give you guys back the cooking videos, but I try to like get some stuff for the kitchen. For somebody who loving in the kitchen, love for cook, I feel like I need to buy up. And I said that a couple months ago to you guys, and yes, I start buy up. It's just that I now come and show you, but I buy new part and you know, new little things. I'm sure. So I just feel like I want to size down with the pot them when I use, because I think most of my pot them when I did have, it was gifted to me, and the one them when I really take from mommy. So you know, I don't want a big pot, and then my mother I gonna have big pot because growing up, you know, so the family did biggish. So the pot them when I get from her was big, and I just didn't want something smaller, and you know. So I have this. Buy that from the other day. Smaller frying pot, and I have a problem. So I would have shown you the rest of the stuff them, but I just realized that this is going to be my problem. The drawer, when I see the drawer, when the stuff them in the stove bracket. But what I'm going to do is to push for the stove, because the stove can push, draw the drawer, take out the stuff them, and then put them in our next drawer we can open, or put them right here, because here so I have nothing much. Yeah, makes sense. But yeah, I buy some wooden spoon, I buy some other plastic spoon. Not much, but you know, when you buy you have to really save. Because what I normally do is, so I'm telling them, I think I'm telling them already, but what I normally do is window shop. So when I go look at the things, I look at the price, even though sometimes I go back, the price raise, but just have an idea, save up the money, and then I go back and I get the stuff them. So that's what I really do. If you're blessed enough, you can just go and just take up your cat and just drop things in it like that. Awesome. awesome. I'm happy for you. But with me and the amount of responsibility, I don't know bills. And trust me, if my bills I'm not paying, me not okay, none at all. Me will pay the bills and dead for hungry. Yeah, it's weird, but yeah. So when the shop and then me go back and me get the little things them, so you have to literally save. So me have to save up and then go back, and I just say go, I'm my life, that I'm my reality, and me not ashamed to talk. So yeah, enough time I see something what I want, or I want to change out something in the house, but me can't just get up go do it like that. You get me? Me have to just save up, and then get it. So I realize that even when I set the time change. I don't know why. So the time wrong right now. The time I move fast, but that's a run faster than the actual time. So I'm just gonna make it stay. So I went ahead and strip off these, wash it and stuff. So I have these to cut up, and I did season the chicken from the day when they said I'm gonna come deliver the stove, and they never deliver. So to the chicken here, so I know I said this well marinate. So I'm gonna chop up some garlic for put in the pot when I burn the curry. So I could do that right now. So I'm gonna cover the pot and make this go and produce its own juice and work on the vegetables. So let's get into that. So now that our vegetable is out the way, carrots, scallion, thyme, onion and sweet pepper. I don't have any Irish, so I won't be using any today. And you probably wonder like why I mix the onion, the white one and the purple one. The purple one is my favorite. Like me love to chew up those. Yes, me eat onion, but me just feel like the white one gives more flavor. So you know, me just put both of them. I could check and see how much water with chicken produce. The same container that I had the chicken in, I'm just pour some water in it, and now I'm going to add it to the chicken. Because the juice of the chicken produced on its own, it's not enough to cook the chicken. Yeah, you get it? Yes, I'm just add some water to it. But the best part is I got the flavor from the chicken before I water it down with water. When I get what I say, right? Yeah, because I went ahead and seasoned the chicken before I start to record. Let me show you the powder season that I use. So this in this container is a chicken season. I don't know if different supermarket make for them own chicken season, but the supermarket where me shop, them have one chicken season in a one bag tie out, and I love it. So I always buy it and pour it out in my container. So this is the chicken season, and I don't know, Maggi all-purpose and some black pepper. Have some green season on it because I always blend up my green season. I think I need to make one of those on camera. I always make them off camera. And in that green season I have scallion, thyme, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, just the white onion though, thyme. So thyme, scallion, thyme, pimento seed, sweet pepper, and onion. Yeah, that's all I use. So I add a little bit to the chicken because I know I'm gonna add these as well. So yeah. I tell you now a secret, don't tell Jason. So when me use out the water out of the jug, me used to do this when my little. Sorry mommy, and sorry everybody when me do it too, and say on me. But me left one little bit back in there so somebody can take it up and drink the last. So them can full it back. And that me do to Jason. You see the older me get and remember the little cheeky stuff that mommy used to do back then, me cringe. Because why me would I do that? Why would I drink out the water and one little glass of water left in there and me not full back a bottle? Why me do it? But you see how we used to stay when we little? When we live, when we grew up and we live by our own and them stuff that happen, we realize how much our parents did annoyed. I said, I never apologize to my mother. Now listen to me, guys. I apologize to my mother. Even I always tell that story here. I know I'm probably tired to hear it. But I remember growing up when my mother beat me. Yes, me used to get beaten. Me and not one of them people that were going a naughty corner. No. Me get licked. So I remember when my mother used to beat me, mother say, you don't like me and stuff like that. And then I grew up and me say, how am I gonna even think my mother don't like me? I know I lick used to hurt, but why would I even say that? And that's why sometimes we put our pride aside and we must just, and if, not even to be your father nor your mother, it could have be your sibling, could have be your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, anybody at all. If you know, if you figure say what you did really do wrong or just never make no sense, you can always go to them and I say, boy, what do you mean I think about something and me I tell you, say, I don't know how me did think that because whatever. We don't always have to be so tense and be so harsh to a certain situation. Can't even make joke out of it because I know my mother love me. You know, when I grow older, you just get wiser sometimes. Because sometimes I feel like I'm not wise, but I try my best. But yeah, I try to like, you know, anybody when me and them did have stuff, I always try to like make peace with them. We don't have to go back close, you know. We don't have to go back close, but you just want to know, say, you and the person that you talk about one certain issue. You get me? Anyways, come, we're going to add in with veggies now. I'm going to do it for spice and give Jason a piece of ginger here. You know when it cook down in the gravy, it's go yellow and see if it would catch him. But yeah, we could just mix this in. Looks so pretty. Ooh. We're going to put our rice now and we're going to use the new pot. This is the container where I keep my rice in. This is the oil bottle. So you see, you know, have to show what the things them. Look how this look nice. If me never tell us say oil bottle, you wouldn't know. You see? Came in handy. So when I use the things them like the mayo, even the butter dish, you can put leftovers in. Use them up, guys. Use them up. Things expensive. Thank God. I'm going to wash the rice now. And yes, wash the rice. Guys, you know when you buy stuff and even if them right when it say washed already and ready to use, me I wash it same way. Me I wash it again. So I'm going to add some salt and some butter to the rice. Just one simple look of rice. You know, if you have the time or if you're not hungry and not rush, you can put piece of scallion, piece of thyme. You can dress up your rice with some cup noodle, whatever you want to put in it. But today's rice are just butter and sauce. Guys, I'm finally finished cook. Alright, so this is it. My favorite part are the leg. See the top of the leg, anytime I do stew or curry, I have to search for them part there. The top of the leg, well the leg, like the bottom part, the top part and the thigh, right there. So them the part, they are my favorite part. Jason, in everything, Jason love breast. I wonder if I should have cut it, because them so big. See? Cut it or just put it like that. Just put it like that, yeah man. Because I'm hungry. Give him 2 since as them so big. Oh, looks good. I'm gonna put the gravy all over. I'm gonna show you now. Now you just catch the gravy one side. And this is dinner. I just remember something. I can put the ginger in there. I ever see right on the top so as I'm going I get fussing it. Perfect.
Whoa, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, amen.
That's it.
Time to eat. What you want me to take off the apron, babe?
Yeah, me just don't put it off just sit down.
Sorry.
Oh, that's
Sorry,
my phone,
babe.
man. That's my phone. Wait, did they never put your ear in this? Or out of it?
I just do like that. Take it down. Mom put it in the kitchen. Thank you. Amen.
That is it.
Oh, well.
That ginger is so big.
A ginger, a chicken, eat it.
Maybe it's not chicken, babe. See that?
You bite it?
You don't see?
Oh.
Thank God.
I'm going to put it on the top of your plate.
Why you don't do that?
Because you always catch me.
I let me make you
And you
know.
know the funniest thing? It nearly catch me again because from me I record my video, I plan to put it in there and then I never remember. So you know if food is going in mine because it be still in the pot when I share your food. I love you guys. Bye.